It is estimated that by the year 2030, 50% of Kenyans will be living in urban areas. And why is there a lot of rural urban migration? Is because people are looking for better opportunities and even education. Now, today, I want to take you on a tour of a neighborhood. Can you imagine? This place is only roughly 2.5 kilometers from Nairobi CBD. So that means it can be a walking distance. And the houses, the rent goes all the way to 5,000 Kenya shillings. So for someone who is doing a startup, or someone who is new in Nairobi, or someone who is hoping to save some coins while living in Nairobi, this might be ideal, or a place that you consider, considering its affordability. Guys, leo nataka niwapeleke maeneo ya Bahati. Hii mtaa inaitwa Bahati, and it is actually located in Eastlands, Kamukunji, and it is neighboring Eastleigh, Kimathi Estate, and Jogoo Road on the other end. It's a residential area that was initially comprising of government houses. You see these houses with those the roofs. Those ones were the main houses that used to be here, which are small houses that were accommodating government employees. But currently the area has really expanded, and as you can see through our walk, you will notice that it has apartments and flats that have really come up, and someone can get a nice one. Mostly it comprises of single rooms and one bedroom, or flats rather, and they are quite affordable. So if you're starting life, this could be a nice place to start. If you're seeking to live in an area where you can be in control of your spending, especially when it comes to transport, this is an ideal place for you to be, and that's why I'm taking you on this tour. Uko na ile aka mkebe? Oh. Sawa. Ne. Chini ya chini teremkia pale uende. Asante. Kumbe kuna shop zingine huku kubwa. Tunateremkia wapi by the way? Oh, pale watu wanatokea. This place right here connects now the lower part to the upper part, and now here we have those flats. You can see them. Of course, they are not the very high standard flats, but they are manageable. By the way, would you live here? Now that will be your choice to make, but we were told that the houses here are quite affordable, and security used to be an issue some years back, but with time they have managed to align, and we were informed that most of the shops actually run till late. So we are going down to the other place. We are going to see the other flats. We were told that this area here has major shops, and it actually now connects from there to Eastleigh is a stone throw distance. Also, it's a favorite place, I think, for the kids to play, because we found so many kids that were playing on the side, though we didn't want to show them. guys, now we have exited Bahati and we are headed to the main road now, whereby you take a matatu right across the road. Up there is Bahati dispensary, so that is where you take a matatu. These matatus are at Gill House number 23, or you can take one from Muthurwa.